If you're anything like me, you might find it challenging to engage in direct communication, preferring text over phone calls and avoiding video chats. But if you also have a strong desire to be your own boss and start a business on your terms, you're in the right place. In today's video, I want to cater to my fellow introverts by presenting 5 business ideas that align with our personality traits. Many business models emphasize content social interaction, but I'm here to show you that it's possible to thrive as an introvert in the business world. These ideas require communication, but not the overwhelming daily social interaction that can be draining for introverts. Let's dive in. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing doesn't necessarily demand a massive audience or constant brand collaboration. It can be as simple as promoting digital products or services you genuinely enjoy to friends or your through affiliate links. You can also utilizing online ads to expand your reach, potential monetizing quickly. Coding and programming. If you possess coding skills or are willing to collaborate with experts, you can start a coding and programming business. These ventures allow you to connect coders with clients, with your role focusing on back-end and client communication management. You don't need to be an expert in coding and programming yourself. Your expertise lies in building relationships and facilitating partnerships. Selling handmade items to digital products and Etsy offers a fantastic platform for introverts to showcase their creativity. Whether you're crafting physical items or creating digital products, these business ideas requires minimal upfront investment. All you need is a computer, winning product, and efficient shipping for physical products. For digital products, the investment is even lower, mainly compressing your time and creativity. Starting a YouTube channel. YouTube is an excellent platform to express yourself and your passions. If you're camera shy, don't worry. There are plenty of ways to create engaging content without showing your face. Share your interests, build a community, and eventually you can monetize your channel. While it may take some time to meet the requirement for monetization, consistent effort will pay off. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is an e-commerce business model that requires some upfront capital for tools and apps, but it's perfect for introverts who prefer to work behind the scenes. You want you to stock inventory as you act as the intermediary between supplier and customer. While there be communication with suppliers, it's relatively straightforward and focused, with minimal need for direct customer interaction. These business ideas allow introverts to thrive in their comfort zone while building successful ventures. Feel free to leave any question or comment for future video in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.